Hello student, I will explain some more extra questions basis on or using the identities. Next question is, if a plus b plus c equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 23, find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. You check in the beginning it is given a plus b plus c equal to 9 and a square plus b square plus c square we want to find. So try to remember which identity we have to use. Here it is given sum of three numbers and their square we want to find. It means we have to use the identity of a plus b plus c whole square equal to that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca identity have to use. So that's why we'll use that identity a plus b plus c equal to 9 given. Now take the square on both the sides. Now on the LHS, open the bracket by using identity. So a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to 9 square 81. Now we want to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. But the value of ab plus bc plus ca it is given. Here if you can observe, 2 is common in all the three terms, last three terms. So that's why we'll take it the 2 common first from the last three terms and we'll get it a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 bracket ab plus bc plus ca equal to 81. Now the value of ab plus bc plus ca is 23, substitute here. So a square plus b square plus c square equal to 2 multiplied by 23 equal to 81. A square plus b square plus c square plus 46, 2 into 23 equal to 81. Now transpose this 46 to the right side. Here it is positive, right side it will becomes negative. So in the next step we'll write a square plus b square plus c square equal to 81 minus 46. And last step, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 81 minus 46, 35. Question number 2, just inverse of question number 2. Sorry, here question number 1 is marked, make it question number 2. If a plus a square plus b square plus c square equal to 16 and ab plus bc plus c equal to 10, find the value of a plus b plus c. And that solution, so whatever is given we will start from that, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 16 given. Now if you have to use the same identity, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. This identity we have to convert in this identity. So that's why we have to add 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca both the side to make the identity. So in the ab square plus bc square plus ca square equal to 16, we have to add 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca both the sides. So left side it will becomes the identity a plus b plus c whole square equal to 16 plus, take the 2 common just like we have taken in the first question. So it will becomes 16 plus 2 multiplied by 10 because the value of AB plus BC plus CA is 10. Now so A plus B plus C whole square equal to 16 plus 20 equal to 36. Now in the next step we can also write 36 as 6 square. So A plus B plus C whole square equal to 6 square. Now take the root on both the sides. So a plus b plus c equal to plus minus 6. Again we are taking the root. So the sign will comes plus minus. Now see the question number 3. If x plus 1 upon x equal to 5, find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Here the cube of the sum of two numbers it is given and we want to find the cube of both the number. It means we have to apply the identity that makes the cube. So here on the solution we have to write that x plus 1 upon x equal to 5 given. Now what we have to do here, we have to take the cube on both the side. So that implies x plus 1 upon x whole cube equal to 5 cube. Now LHS, open the bracket by using the identity. So what is the identity of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So use the same identity. A cube means x cube plus b cube is 1 upon x cube plus 3ab means 3 into x into 1 upon x bracket x a plus b is x plus 1 upon x equal to 125. 5 cube is 125. Now x and x are marked with the red color, so that can be cancelled, and that value of x plus 1 upon x again we will substitute here. So the next step will get it x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 125 minus 3 into 5. Will transpose to the right side. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 125 minus 15 is 110. Question number 4. If 3x minus 2y equal to 11 and xy equal to 12, find the value of 27x cube minus 8y cube. Again the difference of the two number it is given and we want to find the difference of their cubes. Means another identity of the cube, that is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Solution 3x minus 2y equal to 11 given. Now make the cube on both the sides. 3x minus 2y whole cube equal to 11 cube equal to 3x cube minus 2y cube minus 3 into 3x into 2y bracket 3x minus 2y equal to 1331. Cube of 11 is 1331. Now 3x whole cube is 27x cube minus 2y whole cube is 8y cube minus 3 3 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. So it is minus 18xy bracket 3x minus 2y equal to 1331. In the next step, we'll substitute the value of xy. So 27x cube minus 8y cube minus 18 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 11 equal to 1331. 27x cube minus 8y cube minus product of 18, 12 and 11 is 2376. Here it is negative equal to 1331. In the next step we will transpose to the right side. So the 27x cube minus 8y cube equal to 1331 plus 2376. So last 27x cube minus 8y cube equal to 3707. Now these some assignment questions basis on the above examples you have to solve your own. Now some of you have the confusion about that the questions I have given yesterday. So here I am giving that solution of all those questions. You have to go through it. If any problem is there, just make the correction in your notebook. So these I am giving that solution of all the four. Now meantime you have to prepare for the test for the second chapter. uh, in this test I will keep the pattern of MCQ, and then the pattern just like I have taken the for the first chapter.